In front of me here today we have a 2020 Vista Cruiser 23 RSS floor plan. Now this is a great trailer, and Vista Cruisers are known for a couple of things, such as this nice aerodynamic shape. Not only looks nice, but it serves a purpose. It is a single piece of fiberglass from the very front all the way around down to the very back. That helps eliminate worries about having water damage coming into the trailer, so you know when you're buying a used trailer like this 2020, it's going to be in good condition. Furthermore, on the front here, you have this diamond plating to protect the fiberglass from stone chips while you're driving. You're going to have a power tongue jack on this unit, as well as two covered 20-pound propane tanks. In the very front, you will have a pass-through storage area. Since this is a used trailer, you are going to get a couple of goodies along with it. Looks like they've got some power cords on the other side, some adapters, wheel chucks, and more. Furthermore, you have these magnetic slam latches, so you can just drop it. They will close and lock up, and you can also open it and have it sit there with the magnetic catch. This is a tandem axle single slide out trailer. The slide out is small, but still a single slide out. You have a powered awning here on the exterior with LED lights. You also have a conveniently put TV mount, so if you want to sit outside underneath your awning, you can have your TV, and you've got some outdoor speakers. Before we get to the inside, we'll do a little walk around. This is where you'll really notice that curved aerodynamic shape and single piece of fiberglass. Windows all around the unit to let some natural light in, but they are tinted for privacy and to keep the air regulated. You've got your single slide out, which gives you a little bit more leg room when you're inside of the trailer, but if that slide is in, it's not blocking operation of anything, so you can still pop in there, sit down, even if you don't want to open it up. Stepping on to the inside, this floor plan, you'll have this dinette right here in the rear, surrounded by windows, as I mentioned before, so perfect for sitting down, playing some games, having some coffee, eating some meals, and looking at the campsite around you. But if you do need extra spot for sleeping, these tables will drop down onto this wooden track. These cushions will come over, and now you have an extra sleeping area. One thing I particularly like about the 23 RSS floor plan is once you move this cushion to make the bed, it has access to a storage compartment. That is super convenient for putting all your extra blankets, pillows in, so it's a quick grab and go and easy to use. Behind me, this is going to be your single slide out. So this little alcove here is your slide out. As I've mentioned, gives you a little bit more leg room, but you can still use this. Still sit down if you need to without having it out. And every little compartment here, you'll notice throughout this Vista Cruiser, is for storage. So they have these little corners here. You could have left it bare, but why not make it a storage compartment? And same above here, you've got access to your entertainment, but also storage to the side. If this dinette isn't enough room for extra sleeping, you can also pull out this bed or this couch, and it'll jackknife into a bed. Behind me, we're going to have a stainless steel sink with this nice faucet on the top. You've got storage down below, an oven, 3-burner stovetop. You've got this traditional microwave, which just takes a little bit of opening here, 2 hands, but I only have got the one at the moment. So you've got your microwave there, storage compartments up above, and I have noticed they put on this aftermarket table here on the side, so not only does it visually cover all your controls, but if you need that extra room, it'll pop up. And those are your controls underneath. Does blend in nicely here to the wall, but you're going to have your fridge freezer combo. It is gas electric fridge freezer combo. And stepping into here, you're going to have your master bedroom in the nose of the trailer. Storage on either side, so there shouldn't be any fights about who has the better storage area. Each get the same. You've got right behind me, same mount as outside, so you can easily move your TV throughout the trailer. You've got your plugins for your TV. You do have access to storage underneath this bed here. Gas springs are still in good condition. That holds it up and out of your way. And my most favorite part of this unit is this washroom in the middle. That's why I saved it for the end. So normal features, you've got your shower here on this side. You've got your full wraparound shower surround. No seams on the edges to worry about caulking going bad. A little handle or a little spot there for your soap. You've got your skylight. And on this side, you've got your toilet, medicine cabinet, and sink. But what I like about this is this door is perfectly placed with its hinges that you can flip it over to this side. You can close it. If you want to lock it, there's a deadbolt up there. And it means now you have this as an ensuite for your washroom. So you have your washroom right there, your shower, all connected in the master bedroom with its own privacy. If you want even more division, you've got this curtain here. You can close it off. Now you have 3 separate areas: washroom, master bedroom, and living area. If you want to see everything else this Vista Cruiser has to offer in person, or you want to check out some of our new ones, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.